So in today's video, I will show you how to get this data, the CSV from this Google Maps, and even getting these phone numbers, websites, and all the details. So clicking one by one is hectic, and it will automatically click on each of them and will be stored here. You just use the URL and the number of scrolls you want, and then click on start scrapping, and it will add the list here. In today's video, I'll show you how to scrap Google Maps data, even email address, phone number, and any other fields, and scrap them into a CSV or Excel file. For example, let me find barber shop in San Francisco. Okay, so it will give me a list, and I want to get all this information. Even if you click on this card, we have the website, we have phone number, and sometimes we have email address as well. So for example, if I click another one, I got this information, phone number, website, and so on. So sometimes they have email address as well, so I want to get all of these. So first of all, let's open a website called scrapannywebsitedata.com. Scrapannywebsitedata.com, and click on this Google Maps scrapper, and you will be landed on this page. So first you will click on this download Chrome extension and save that Chrome extension in your downloads folder or anywhere you want, and then extract it. Once we extract this Google Maps scrapper here, then go to your extensions and turn on this developer mode, or click on this extension bar, click on manage extensions, and on this page turn on this developer mode and click on load unpack. Now go to the folder in downloads and then double click on Google Maps scrapper, open this, and then click on select. Do not select any file, just open the folder and select, and it will load here. Now if you refresh this page, this will automatically load the extension here. So you will be able to see these fields now. Okay, just get this scrapper URL, the search URL, which we just searched. We searched for a barber shop in San Francisco, then this list appears. So we will copy this link and paste that link here in this field, and now mention how many scrolls do we want to do. For example, if you scroll to the bottom, we have another scroll, we have another. So these are like pages. You can scroll up to 10 pages, 20 pages, or how many you want. So by default it's mentioned 10, but you can add 5 pages, you can get 20 pages, but let's add 10 scrolls. Now click on start scrapping. Once you click on start scrapping, just leave the keyboard and mouse, and it will now automatically crawl all these pages first, and then it will click every single one by one. So first it will complete 10 scrolls, and after scrolling all, it will now click one by one and get all the information required. So the phone number, the address, the name, the website, even the email address, they will be listed here on this page. If you come back to this page, you can see everything is listing one by one here. So let's keep this window open to complete the whole listing. In the meanwhile, let's open a new tab and open Google Sheets and sign into that and keep this sheet open. Let's name it Barbers in San Francisco, and keep the sheet open. Let's move to the Google Maps tab, and let's see. When it's finished, the whole list will be here. It's still adding because it's keep clicking on every listing one by one. Do not click anywhere on the page because the scrapping process will be stopped. Okay, there are some sponsored ads which are also scrapped, which is not ideal, but in this list we cannot skip them. So you can see most of these listings are relevant and within the area like this. But as soon as the sponsored one comes up, it will move to another location. Okay, once this is completed, you will see a notification here that scrapping is done. But after that, when you want to get this data, just select from here, press shift and click here, and copy the table and open Google Sheets and paste that data. Okay, we also have the links here. The phone number is having equal, which is creating problem. So let's rename, replace everything starting from a plus to a comma. Let's press Ctrl F and let's see, replace is equal to plus with uh, apostrophe and use column G F. Okay, and replace all. Just remove plus one. Found. Okay, you can remove it manually, or you can use any other tool or Excel file to remove them, or just select all, copy and paste special values only or formula only. Still not working, so let's remove them manually. So this is how you can get the data and save it into a CSV or Excel file. Now when you try to export this, let's download as Excel or a CSV, and it will be saved locally on your PC after the modifications. So this is how you can get the data, scrap the data from Google Maps and add into a CSV.